So once it started to boil, I'm going to put in the fish. So today I'm cooking the fish together.
Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Today Appa is going to make a 泡椒鱼. 泡椒 meaning pickled chili. 鱼 of course is fish, yeah. So I have fish tail here. It's actually a fish tail from a barramundi fish, very fresh. So for this particular dish, you can choose to steam the fish separately or you can cook the fish together, up to you. I haven't decided which way I want to do today. But of course, the main important thing today is this, the 泡椒. This is the pickled chili. You can get it from Shopee or Lazada, I think, very easily right now. I have tried few different brands, and so far, this is the brand I think is more suitable for local people, because some of the previous pickled chili that I've tried, some other brand, is either too spicy or too salty. This one is just nice, with the nice sourish flavor. Almost like, just like giam chai, but it is actually the chili, yeah? So I have the red pickled chili and also the green pickled chili here. I'm going to mix the two. And of course, Appa will be using my Cooking Appa chicken stock powder. 100% natural ingredient where you can get it from Shopee, Malaysia or Singapore. And then I'm going to put two of my favorite things. Tofu, beautiful tofu that I got it from the local wet market. And also some shiitake mushroom. We will need a bit of garlic, ginger, spring onion, and also fresh coriander roots. So let's quickly make the sourish broth. Now, I like everything sour, especially recently the weather is so super hot. When you anything sourish will definitely open up your appetite. Yeah. So I'm going to start with about 2 tablespoons of oil. We're going to saute a few pieces of ginger, garlic, and also the white portion of the spring onion. At the same time, I'm going to add in the pickled chili. I know this is not spicy, so I'm going to add in quite a lot. This is not spicy at all. Which is just nice. We want to get the aroma from the chili and also the sourish flavor, which is very nice. So this is the red color ones. I'll be using the green color one as well. This is also not spicy. At least the one I chose is not spicy. They're probably the same brand has some real spicy ones. Now, one thing to take note is whenever you are using something which is went through some fermentation process, you do need to saute it in order to remove some of the possible earthiness of it. Yeah. Wow! Now it smells so good. So saute this for a minute or two before we continue. We'll come back shortly. Actually, the end result will taste a little bit like Assam fish, but the Assam, the sourish here, actually comes from the pickled chili instead of coming from the tamarind. Different aroma, very nice. Go ahead and try it. Right, this is after about 2-3 minutes sauteing. Next thing, we can add in some water. And in order to make this water more flavorful, I'm going to add in some of my Cooking Appa chicken stock powder, which is going to make this to become chicken stock. See, you can actually create a chicken stock, natural chicken stock within seconds. For those interested, you can get it from Shopee, Malaysia or Singapore. For those not interested, don't worry about it. So now we are going to, let's give it some seasoning here. I'm going to give it a little bit of salt. little bit of sugar. Few drops of my Vietnamese premium fish sauce. By the way, have you tried this before? All the way from Phuket Island. Quality stuff. One bottle can actually one bottle can almost last Appa for one whole year. So let's bring this to a boil. Then we will put in the fish. So once it started to boil, I'm going to put in the fish. So today I'm cooking the fish together. You can steam it separately if you like. Really up to you. Oh, be very soft and tender with delicate with the tofu. I can feel the tofu is super flavorful, super soft. First time trying. If you really can't find the pickled chili, you can use giam cai together with the salted plum. Yeah, that will do the trick as well. But of course, the flavor is a little bit different. So I'm going to let this cook for at least about 5-6 minutes at least. We'll come back shortly. This is cooking after about 7 minutes. The fish should be fully cooked. I'm going to take out the fish first. Ooh, look at the tofu. Ooh. Alright, and set it at the serving plate aside. And now, to continue, I still have my favorite shiitake mushroom. This will not take more than 1 minute. Once it is softened, then it is done. See how simple is this dish is, and I promise you, you know now a lot of restaurants outside are selling those 木桶鱼, yeah, barrel fish, and they always have this suan cai flavor. You are looking at it right now. This is the suan cai flavor that they are having, but they probably use other suan cai as well. Look at this. Now this dish, if you want to add some veggie inside, Chinese cabbage, bean sprout, anything, just add it in if you like. Basically this dish is ready. I'm going to, the broth is ready here, the sour chili, the pickled chili broth is ready. I'm going to pour it over to the fish. So here's the fish. Here's my shiitake mushroom. This is almost like a one-pot dish if you ask me. Got veggie, got mushroom, got tofu, got fish. If you want to add in some meat also can, some pork belly, yeah. That would be very nice. Wow, I can feel the freshness of this tofu. I'm impressed. I'm definitely impressed. All right. You're not done yet. I have some fresh coriander and also spring onion. Top it out with a few dashes of white pepper and it is done. Look at how beautiful it is. Look at how beautiful this dish is and the golden beautiful broth. Alright, so this is Appa's very simple pickled chili pao jiao fish stew. Yeah? If you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow Appa on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Enjoy your dinner with your family. Bye bye.